Hey, welcome back to Summit Sunrise. As promised, if you need help with your website or maybe a mobile app, Christy Lee from KL Creative Design is the person to talk to. Now, first of all, Christy Lee, what is KL Creative Design for people that may not be aware? Maybe they haven't been watching the show.
So KL Creative Design is a Colorado-based web development group. We do everything for the web and also mobile.
Okay, so for instance, let's say I had a small business. What would a mobile site do? I mean, how does that work? Like, how would that benefit the business?
Okay, well, statistics are saying that at least 30% of users are looking at your website on a mobile device, whether it be a tablet or a phone. So you need specific technology and, various different things like a slower download speed in order for the mobile phone to make it better, because you don't want to turn off those users by them coming to your website on a mobile device and it not working properly.
Interesting. Okay, so you actually need separate technology from your standard website to actually make that work on your phone.
Right. Certain technologies do not work on the phone that will work on a browser.
Okay. All right. Interesting. Now, what about people that, let's say they have a website, but they're just not really happy with it? It's not really doing what they want. What would you say to those people?
We generally suggest a search engine optimization plan, which will help your website be found. It helps it come up higher in the rankings. We do keywording and basically you're marketing your website in order to help it be more visible.
Now, something that's kind of exciting here at TV8 Summit, Christy Lee is actually currently reworking our website. And, we found certain things that we need, like, links from the homepage to something else, or thumbnails, or some kind of a kind of a cache, like a history, if you will, on our website of old videos and things like that. And that's something that we couldn't figure out how to do. And you already are like, oh yeah, I totally know how to do that. So what's nice is that people out there that maybe you're interested in kind of revamping your website, you'll actually do free consultations.
We will, yes. Right. We'll sit down with you for 30 minutes and discuss your website, maybe some strengths, some weaknesses, some ways that we can improve it and help you be more successful with your website.
And so that's kind of a non-intimidating way to kind of get started. And then what else can you guys do for people that out there that might have some issues with their web design? I mean, obviously, I would guess you could probably build one from the ground up.
Right. It's depending on when yours was built and how it was built. We'll analyze that, whether or not we need to rebuild from scratch with the completely redesign and rebranding, or whether or not we can work with what we have. And it depends on how it's been coded. It depends when it's been coded.
Okay. Now, also, why do you feel like having a website is important?
Again, in this day and age, they're not going to come directly to your store. Your website is their first impression of your business. Before they leave the house, they're looking it up on their phones or on their computers. And that's the first impression. That's the first thing they know. So if you turn them off, or if they can't find you online, then they're gone. They're moving on to the next customer.
Right. Gotcha. All right. Now, how do people get in touch with you?
So my website is klcreativedesign.com, and I believe my phone number is on the screen there.
All right, so definitely give Christy Lee a call. And what's wonderful too is that, you are based right here in Summit County, so you don't have to go down to the Front Range to get the help that you need. You can give Christy Lee a call, get that free consultation going, just start that conversation and see if maybe she can do some wonders for you. I know already there's some big things that are heading our way for our website, which hopefully will be live a little bit later on in the spring. We'll let you guys know, but check that out. And also check out Explore More. Your app is awesome. Now tell people really quickly what your app is.
Explore More is an altimeter with a photo sharing feature. It will show you your altitude at wherever you are, as well as you can take a photo with it and it will stamp the photo with your altitude on it.
Perfect for all of those adventures while you're here in the high country. All right, you guys, we're going to take another break here in Summit Sunrise. More coming your way, including Watch and Win, so don't go anywhere.